Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. This is Sherry with Sherri's Divine Styles, and in this video I will be making over this chair that I've recently thrifted. To start off, I'm removing the cover from underneath the seat. I'm just using a flathead, a pair of scissors, and pliers to remove the staples from the chair. Once removed, I set these pieces to the side because I will be reusing them. To remove the fabric on the sides, I had to separate the seat cushion from the back of the chair. Once separated, I had to remove the protective layer from the fabric, and y'all, I struggled with this part. They really stapled this onto the chair. This by far was an easy project since I was only doing one chair. If you haven't seen my last video, I will have it linked in a card above or in the description box below. And I called myself being fancy trying to display the removal, but that happened. But once I got it together, I removed the fabric from the top of the chair. I did 3 coats of this metallic spray to the legs so it can have the mirror effect to it. As that was drying, I went on ahead and started cutting my new fabric. I purchased this from Hobby Lobby. Since everything was cut and dried, I went on ahead and used this adhesive spray to glue the batting onto the chair. I also stapled the sides. Once the batting is secured, now I'm able to put the fabric on the chair, and I'm making sure that there is enough fabric to cover the entire chair. Once everything is covered, Now I'm able to staple the fabric to the chair. I'm pulling on the fabric to make sure that I have a firm fit on the chair, but also checking that I'm not over pulling for the opposite side. For the top portion of the chair, I just do 2 folds and staple each fold. From there, I just flipped over the remaining of the fabric and hot glued it to the sides. I stapled and hot glued this small part of the fabric that meets with the seat cushion. Now I'm just repeating the process for the seat cushion. I hot glued and stapled this part of the fabric that's covered in between the seat cushion and the back of the chair. After stapling the bottom portion, I hot glued the top and stapled the remainder of the fabric within the cushion. Once the protective fabric was on, now it's time to put the chair back together. And here are the end results. This chair came out exactly as I envisioned. I am obsessed with the legs. The legs just ties the entire look together. If you like this video and would like to see more content like this, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Also subscribe to my channel so you won't miss out on any uploads.